Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn engagement metrics using Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile. Scroll down to the activity section. Click on the See All option to view your posts and engagements. Select the specific post you want to back up. Note the number of likes, comments, and shares your post has received. Open Google Sheets in a new tab. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the plus icon. Label your columns accordingly, such as date, post title, likes, comments, and shares. Return to your LinkedIn post. Copy the date your post was published. Paste the date into your Google Sheets document under the date column. Next, copy the title of your post. Paste it into the corresponding row under the post title column. Now, note the total number of likes. Enter that number in the likes column of your Google Sheet. Repeat this for the number of comments, pasting it into the comments column. Lastly, record the number of shares in the shares column. Continue this process for each of your LinkedIn posts that you want to back up. Over time, this will help you build a comprehensive database of your engagement metrics. Make sure to save your Google Sheets document regularly to avoid losing your data. Consider creating a new sheet for each month or quarter for better organization. Review your metrics periodically to analyze engagement trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.